Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an in-depth creative audit of Runway AI, analyzing whether this industry pioneer remains the reigning champion for high-end cinematic production, or if its aggressive credit system makes it a frustrating money pit for everyday creators. Having paved the way with their historic architectures, Runway has firmly doubled down on advanced cinematic rendering by deploying their flagship Gen 4 and Gen 4.5 foundation models, engineered specifically to tackle the massive industry challenge of world consistency and fluid physics. The standout structural triumph of Runway is that it refuses to be just a basic text-to-video prompt box. Instead, it behaves like an advanced node-based digital backlot. By utilizing specialized features like director mode and keyframes, you can explicitly orchestrate complex multi-axis virtual camera movements, such as precise pans, tilts, track shots, and zoom speeds directly across your generative timeline. This is beautifully paired with Motion Brush 3.0, which allows you to hand paint isolated areas of a static reference image to dictate targeted directional vectors, making it an absolute powerhouse for VFX artists and filmmakers who need to generate highly predictable, studio-grade B-roll cuts rather than random artificial morphing. Furthermore, their multimodal workspace bridges generation with native practical editing utilities, packing in remarkably clean automated rotoscoping, background removal, and advanced lip-sync integrations, all under one unified dashboard. However, pushing this software to its absolute limits reveals significant financial friction and deep operational boundaries that can quickly break a fast-paced workflow. The single most prominent hurdle is the platform's single-minded token economy. Rendering cinematic 4K assets or extending timelines up to a full minute burns through your account allotment at a staggering velocity, meaning if you fall into a loop of prompt thrashing to correct visual glitches, your production budget can balloon instantly. Additionally, while competitors have actively moved toward native synchronized environmental audio generation, Runway's core models still output completely silent video files, forcing you to execute a tedious, entirely separate post-production pass for sound design and dialogue matching. You must also account for a notable learning curve, as mastering their precise camera terminology and managing character permanence across complex, fast-moving scenes demands genuine director-level intent rather than casual experimentation. Ultimately, if you are a studio director, agency marketer, or cinematic storyteller who requires pixel-perfect shot control, uncompromised environmental detailing, and legal commercial rights, Runway's masterfully integrated toolset is an unrivaled creative engine. Evaluate your exact monthly rendering volume, analyze whether you value precise camera choreography over simple text-to-video speed, and deploy this premium generative ecosystem to fully revolutionize your visual pipeline today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.